You are misbehaving. That's not a call you.
Come carefully. Wait. Make him go first. Make him go first. It's not.
Yeah, so that I'm telling we sought to know. There was no cogent explanation from the most senior police officer that attended to us, except that he has superior orders from above to take charge of the assembly. After a series of pleadings, we could not be allowed entrance. But let me state that we are law-abiding people. We will never resort to getting in a skiff cuff with the police. We have therefore decided to withdraw the peaceful rest, since we have a duty covered by the Constitution that allows us that we have the powers to sit anywhere within the landmass of Benue State. We shall therefore leave them in the premise and precincts of the assembly and continue to do our legitimate duties somewhere else, since they have found the assembly so comfortable.
Thank you.
The house was adjourned from 10th of July to the 15th of August. And until 15th, the house cannot reconvene because I am only the person that has saddled the responsibility of reconvening the house. The majority leader has not brought it to my attention that there's a need to sit. Members have not gotten to me. If they have any issue, they will let me know, and it must be of public interest. So I am saying that as far as I'm concerned, there has been no sitting, and I'm waiting until the 15th when I will reconvene the house, and then the business of the house will continue. Okay. So I am the speaker, and I will continue to be the speaker until that is done.
What is it now? Go and fight, They have locked the gate from the back here. Yeah. And so we can't even access the assembly from either way.
Stop them. This is the headquarters of democracy. Let them come and explain their feelings. They have the right. They have the right to come and explain their feelings.
You will see the wahala he has caused us.
Sai ka shiga yau.